Hi guys, welcome to Filmy Fitness. This is Aman Tillo and today is the week 5 day 23 of our 10 weeks lean body challenge. First, I'm doing 2-minute compound set functional circuit training to activate all my muscles. I'm starting with my first compound set, that is battle rope, kettlebell swing and TRX jackknife. This exercise is designed to strengthen the upper and lower abdominal muscles. Moving on to the second compound set, battle ropes provide an intense cardio workout. One of the functional benefits of battle rope is that they boost your range of motion. It strengthens the power area of your body, that is core, glute, hamstring, quads, back, delt and arms. After my warm up, I am going to do back home workout for people who cannot go to gym. They can do these simple back exercises at home. The first exercise is back extension. This exercise will increase the ability to coordinate movement through your lower back. Do 30 seconds, then 10-second rest in between the exercise and 1 minute rest after 5 exercise. And repeat for 3 times. The next exercise is Superman. It not only engages the core but also targets the glute and hamstring muscle. Moving on to the next exercise, that is reachers. It targets your lats and lower back and is a great stretching exercise. Next exercise is pulse row. It works the muscle on your entire back. Moving on to hyperextension. This is the beginner version but gives you shortest length of motion, but still far better than nothing. After 3 sets, don't forget to stretch. I just completed my warm up, so let's start compound sets 4 back and 2 functional plus 10-minute back home workout. Moving on to my third compound set, that is pull-ups and deadlift. I am going to do 3 sets with 15 reps. It will not only strengthen our upper body but will also help you to build your lower body. Many of us think that the pull-ups is nearly impossible because we have to lift our own body weight over and over again, but the fact is that they are not actually that hard to do. There is no other exercise that has as many as number of benefits as deadlift. This is an intense movement that covers all your body parts. You don't have to start to doing by lot of them. Just performing few is a great start, and then you can slowly work your way up. When several muscles are working together, it triggers the release of testosterone and growth hormone, which are good for muscle development. If you are tired of doing innumerable crunches, must try doing deadlift, which will strengthen your core and also increase your cardiovascular ability. Taking 1 minute break and sipping up my drink, that is EAA and glutamine. And moving on to my fourth compound set, that is bent over row and cable pull down. I am going to do 3 sets with 20 reps. Form is all important with the bent over row. Learning to engage your abs when pulling will help you develop core stability. If your grip is too wide, you will not be able to get the full range of motion. Slow, controlled movements are more value than jerking up a massive weight and twisting it all over. It is a compound multi-joint movement that builds strength and require your body to engage the core and abs for balance while performing it. It requires the back, glutes and legs to stabilize the body. Your back muscles are primary beneficiaries of the bent over rows as they increase strength and improve posture. Keep your torso still throughout the exercise. Return the weight under tension to the starting position. And finally, if the weight is heavy, then reduce the weight and ensure you are getting full range for this exercise. Taking 1 minute break and sipping up my drink, that is EAA and glutamine. Moving on to the fifth compound set, that is the lat pull down and close grip pull down. I am going to do 3 sets with 20 reps. The back muscle contract when the shoulders are pulled back. Close grip lat pull down is an exercise that primarily targets the lat, shoulder, middle back and traps to some extent. Keep the chest out during the movement. At the bottom of each rep, squeeze your shoulder blades together. Hold this squeeze for at least 1 second on every rep. Close grip pull down also increases the range of motion. As a result, you maximize the contraction of your lats at the bottom of each rep, which helps to build a thicker and stronger back. This exercise can be done as a part of an upper strength workout, but be sure that you are not using your forearms to pull down the bar. Instead, let the back do it for you. While your back should do most of the work to bring down the weight, your biceps fully contract as well, and your core also activates to stabilize the movement. Taking 1 minute break and moving on to the last compound set, that is cable row and dumbbell row. I am going to do 3 sets with 15 reps. Keep your back straight and squeezing your shoulder blades together as you row, keeping the chest out. Drive your non-rowing hand into the bench to create more full body tension. Return the handle forward under tension, stretch fully and keeping the back straight even though flexed at the hips. If you do these correctly, you should feel a lot of tension on the side of your back. Keep your torso still throughout the exercise. Return the weight under tension to the starting position. And finally, if the weight is heavy, then reduce the weight and ensure you are getting full range for this exercise. When lowering the weight, do not lose tension in the back muscle. Don't forget to stretch in the end to avoid soreness and improve flexibility. If this information was helpful, give me thumbs up. That's all for the day. See you all tomorrow. It's Filmy Fitness by Aman Tellno, powered by Purely Pictures. Stay tuned, stay safe and stay fit.